Hello my YouTubities, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Amazon purchases that you need. I am going to share with you some of my favorite purchases that I've ever bought off of Amazon, and the first one is this it's IAITU laptop bag. That is the brand right there. This is a laptop bag that I have been taking with me to work. This bag is not too heavy. It's not too big. This bag is the right size to be able to fit a laptop in. It has two handles right here, and then it also has this little thing right here. I'm struggling getting this into the camera. This is where your laptop would go if you did use it as a laptop bag, but I have everything in here. I have gum, Tic Tacs, I have my essential oils, I have lotion, I have tissues, I have my work clipboard that is actually pretty large and fits really well into this. I primarily wanted to get this bag to be able to fit that clipboard in without having to force it in, and you can see it fits really nicely in there. And then I also have a couple books and a planner, so this fits everything that I need it to. And if you can see the size, it's like bigger at the bottom, but then it does come up a little bit at the top, and it does have zippers, which I needed for work so that my stuff wouldn't fall out. It does have things on the bottom of them, so it's going to sit nice and have a little bit of protection from the ground. This bag also looks super nice. Like, the leather feels really nice and it's got good structure to it. It was only 43 bucks, which is a pretty good price for a bag, especially one of this size. It fits everything I need in it for work, and I really like the strap. The fact that you can wear it at like a satchel length if you want, and not just like close up, because I don't like purses that come like are really close and have really short handles. I like to wear them a little bit farther down. This is a must-have if you are looking for a work bag or anything like that. They have many different colors. There is a black one. This is the brown one. They have a light brown one, and I think they have a gray one as well. But this bag is an essential if you need space and you are taking stuff back and forth to work, but you don't want something that looks cheap or that is not well made. I mean, this is a very well made bag, and I know it's going to last me a really long time. So if you need a work bag, I recommend this one. I will have everything that I'm talking about linked in the description box below, so you can go find it if you do want to look at them on Amazon. The second item I'm going to talk about is actually an item that I saw on Casey Holmes's version of this video. This is the dirty laundry bag. I take this when I am traveling because it is very condensed and small. It doesn't take up any room at all when you are traveling. You just throw this into your, your luggage bag and you're good to go. And then you open this up and it does expand. There's another laundry bag inside here. Even though this is so small, it does expand to fit a lot of clothes. I fit Chris and I's clothes in here for 3 to 4 days in California, like all in this little bag. So if you are traveling and you don't have a dirty laundry bag, you definitely should get this one. For a while there, I was really struggling with like what clothes were dirty and what clothes I did not wear when I'm, traveling back from a location that I went to. I didn't know which clothes were dirty and which ones I hadn't worn, and they just kind of all mixed together. So I wanted to get this bag to separate that out a bit, and then you can just literally take this out of your bag, take it to your washer, and just throw everything in. It's really convenient, and I really enjoy traveling with this. Oh, and it was $12. Next, I have these meal prep containers. It came in a set of 15 and it was $15, so basically $1 per container, which is pretty good. As you can see, it has 3 little sections in here, and I am a big meal prep person. I love prepping out my meals for the week so I can just grab it and go, but I usually put some sort of like meat or something right here, and then a veggie and a fruit. These are great. They're very durable. They're plastic, but they actually seal really well, so you don't have to worry about things like spilling out of this container. I think it's really well made. The fact that you get 15 of them, I mean, I'm gonna be set with meal prepping for life. Next, I have these Estilo glass water bottles. I put these in my fridge downstairs. Chris and I do live in the basement of my parents' house currently while we save for a house. I fill these up. They come in a set of 6, and I fill them up from the fridge upstairs, bring them down to our fridge down here because it does not dispense water or anything, and we just have ice cold water waiting in the fridge for us. These look really nice. Like, I love the way that these glass bottles look. They look very high and very nice, and they are durable. And then this is the lid. You can just take it off and drink like that. When I got this package, only 5 of them arrived looking like this, and then 1 of them arrived in half. So just please be aware that you are ordering something that is glass, and you may lose 1 of them in the shipping process of getting to your house. I now have 5 of these, so I am going to be stocked with water whenever I need water. Oh, and these were $16 for 6 of them. Next, I have these packing cubes that I take with me traveling as well, and there's 6 of them in here. So there are 2 of these size. I mean, they're huge. And then there's 2 medium ones and then 2 small ones. I really do think that these packing cubes do save on space whenever I am packing. They just like sit on top of each other, and you can fit so many clothes in here. It is insane how much you can take. Like, I can take more clothes in these packing cubes than I can without them. So I always travel with these wherever I'm going. I find that they save on space, and I can also keep my clothes separated a bit more. Like, I have my day clothes, my night clothes. I have them separated by packing cubes. So I really like these. They were 25 bucks, and you get 6 of them, like I said, which is pretty cheap because most of the packing cubes I found on Amazon are very expensive. And I found these, and you can see through them as well, so you can see like what items you have in here. But I have been nothing but happy with these. If you do a lot of traveling, you should consider getting some packing cubes like this because they're a lifesaver. The next item that I got from Amazon that I am in love with is this pullover. This is a Charles River classic pullover, and I got the maroon shade. This was $38, and this is the best rain jacket I've ever bought. So on the inside, it has this white fabric, which is really, really soft. It is going to keep you warmer than just like an outer wind jacket. It has a hood as well, and then down here it has a pouch, so you can like put stuff in here, and then this pouch also opens up like this, so you can fit stuff in that way. But I took this to Ireland, and it was an amazing pullover. It is big enough where I can put it over a warmer jacket underneath it, which I really liked. They do run very large though, so I got a size down. Normally I'm a large, and I got a size medium, and it fits really well. And like I said, I can still fit a warmer jacket underneath. But this actually has a little bit of weight to it, so it's going to keep you warm, and it is going to protect you from the rain. And then at the bottom it has these right here, which you can cinch up and kind of keep your butt all cozy and stuff, because this is a longer jacket. It's going to go down past your butt. So I really, really love this rain jacket. The last thing I'm going to talk about that I bought from Amazon that you need if you have an Apple Watch is actually this band. This is a silicone Apple Watch band. This was $10. It is way cheaper than the bands that you are going to buy at the Apple store. I think a band is almost as much as an actual watch nowadays, but this was 10 bucks. It is the same exact style of the ones that you'll get in the store, and it's great quality. Like, I really like it, and it just looks exactly like the ones that you buy in stores. So Amazon has some really good, cheaper Amazon watch bands if you are looking to change out your watch band and not wanting to spend a fortune. So that's all I have to share with you guys today. Let me know down in the comments, what are some of your favorite Amazon purchases that you've ever bought? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!